Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Nissan Sentra. We're going to go over how you would reset your oil intervals or service intervals. This is the back button, and then this is the menu button. And as you tap the menu button, it will change the center screen on the dash. And then this is the where you can scroll up or scroll down on those screens, and then as you press it in, that is the enter button, so when you pick what you need. I show these options because you won't be seeing me push these buttons as I show the actual screen and what shows up on the screen. So this is what you see on the screen, and so if you hit that menu button, which looks like two squares, it's going to give you, then we have our options to go to driver assistance, your clock, meter settings, anything in there. But we're going to go into the maintenance, and I've used that. It's a little toggle that you can go up and down, and then if you press it in, we're going to light up the maintenance, and then we're going to do oil and filter. That's at 6,000, but we're going to change that to 5,000 because it's recommended by the owner's manual of a 5,000 interval between it. And so we have 5,000 for when we need to change the oil and the filter next, and then 0 is how many miles are on the vehicle. But if your miles are up to 5,000, and that's 5,000, when you go to reset it, you would just scroll down, hit the reset, and then we go yes, and that number on the left, right, that would clear down to 0. It's already at 0 because the maintenance has already been done. But that's how you reset your oil interval or reset your mileage after you've changed your oil filter on your Nissan. Then you can hit the back button. You can do the same for tires. Tires is also recommended at 5,000. You do a rotation between 5,000 to 8,000, and then you can set one in the other, a reminder, and that you would remember what it is. But you can set another one there of an interval that you would like to have. But that's where you find those locations, and then if you just hit the back button, you can go all the way back to the main screen where everything is ready for you to go. You do have to do this with either the car can be running, or you're gonna you'll want the accessories option on, and you'll still want to be parked in a parking spot. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be a mechanic.